Today I am showing the demo of automation for a client who is into their cloud kitchen. So they have multiple kitchens across Bangalore. So they sell through Swiggy and Zomato. So this particular customization is for the automation of Swiggy weekly report that they do. So they download every week from Swiggy data in Excel format. So these are the Excel files. So for every cloud kitchen or every restaurant ID, one Excel file is downloaded. They have 30 plus kitchens, so 30 plus Excel files are downloaded every week. The data format is like this. So now manually they used to sit and generate a report. So that we have automated, where with one click the data will be picked up and the consolidated report will be generated. So let me show you. I will close this Excel and let me delete this consolidated Swiggy file. So now only the source files are there. I will run the software. It will take maybe 5-6 seconds. Done. The report is generated. So now here is the report. So consolidated file. If I open this is showing me restaurant ID wise what are the data points. So there are some data which is also calculated, not available as a direct value. So that is also done automatically by the software which we have given. So if they tomorrow create more restaurants, then this dynamically from the folder, how many files are there, that many columns will get created. So what they were spending between 2-3 hours is now with one click, within 5-6 seconds, this report is done. Thank you.